Right, step one, crush up the berries. Ooh. These ones were frozen from last season. Thawing out the last few hours in the refrigerator. Oh yeah. 15 berries. Probably need more with that. Okay. Try and rise them to the side and let the juice fall down. Oh yeah, that's working. That's working. It is working. Put a juice there. Okay, so what are we going to pour that into? We're going to pour that into this. Half a cup of water. I'll probably get the rest of the juice out. Okay. Now we've got a drop of food colouring. 1 drop. A couple more than 1, but that'll do. Food colouring? Supposedly. Okay. Then we want 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. Oh, man. The world's smallest lemon. Alright. 1 teaspoon. Let's have a crack at it. Yep. 1 teaspoon. 1 pip. 1 lemon pip. Okay. Now we want a teaspoon of sugar. Already, man. Alright. Oh. Alright. Okay, so we've done this, the teaspoon of sugar, half a cup of carbonated water. It's the last piece, last part of the recipe. Half a cup, eh? Alright. Now what I'm thinking is I should have used a few more berries, because I think the berries suggested were probably bigger ones than that. So stir up. The carbonated water is already cold. Refrigerator there. Need to let it cool down, but I think it'll be cool enough to try. Let's have a go. Cheers. Ooh. Ooh, that's refreshing. Oh, that's nice. Oh yeah. It reminds me of those spring water drinks you get with a little hint of juice flavour. Big ups to that one. That's good. That is nice. Oh, look at those squished berries. I've got to try one. Ooh, yum. Ah, eat your squash berries afterwards, people. Delicious.